Welcome, seekers of wisdom and magic. Today we're diving into a core element of Western esoteric traditions that has been a powerful tool for spiritual protection for centuries: the lesser ritual of the pentagram, LRP. This ritual is one of the most practiced and effective ways to shield yourself from harmful energies, entities, or negative influences. Whether you're seeking to protect your energy in daily life or purify a space, the lesser ritual of the pentagram is here to help. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Here we unlock the secrets of the mystical arts, and with every video, we aim to provide you with knowledge that can transform your spiritual practice and bring peace to your soul. Now, let's dive into the power of the lesser ritual of the pentagram. Understanding the pentagram's power. The pentagram is an ancient symbol with rich mystical significance. Its 5 points represent the 5 classical elements: earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. These elements form the foundation of many spiritual and magical systems. The pentagram's geometry is sacred, symbolizing the balance and harmony between the physical and spiritual realms. Each of the 5 points represents an aspect of life: earth, lower left; stability; material aspects, the body; air, upper left; intellect, thoughts, and ideas; fire, upper right; passion, transformation, and willpower; water, lower right; emotions, intuition, and healing; spirit, top, the divine, higher consciousness, and connection to the source. The pentagram's ability to unify these elements makes it a powerful tool in spiritual practices. It represents balance and protection, harmonizing these forces within the individual and the environment. The use of the pentagram in the lesser ritual provides a direct means to invoke divine protection, cleanse a space, and maintain psychic and spiritual integrity. What is the lesser ritual of the pentagram? The lesser ritual of the pentagram is a protective spell that comes from the magical traditions associated with Hermeticism, Kabbalah, and ceremonial magic. It's a simple but effective method for clearing away negative energy and defending against psychic attacks or unwanted influences. The ritual is structured to be performed regularly, either to prepare for other magical work or simply as a standalone protective practice. The core purpose of the LRP is to establish a divine shield of protection around you, physically and spiritually. This ritual can be performed alone or as part of a larger magical or spiritual practice. The act of creating the pentagrams, visualizing the divine forces, and chanting invocations all serve to create a sacred space and protective barrier against harmful forces. While the ritual might appear simple on the surface, its power is profound. It is a ritual of psychic hygiene, helping to restore balance, neutralize negative influences, and create a harmonious environment conducive to spiritual growth. Tools you'll need. While the lesser ritual of the pentagram can be performed with minimal tools, there are a few items that will help enhance the ritual and create a more sacred and focused space. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, these items will support your energy and intention during the ritual. 1. A sacred space. The first and most important tool you need is a quiet, sacred space free from distractions. This can be a corner of your room or an outdoor space where you feel spiritually connected. It's essential to prepare the area before beginning the ritual. Many practitioners will cleanse the space using sage, palo santo, or another form of incense to purify the energy. 2. Candles. Lighting candles during the ritual adds to the atmosphere and helps focus your energy. While any color can be used, white candles are often chosen for their purifying properties. You can also use colored candles that correspond to the energies you want to invoke: red for strength, blue for peace, green for healing, and so on. 3. Incense. Burning incense. During the ritual helps clear the space of any lingering negative energy and enhances spiritual receptivity. Incense like frankincense, sandalwood, or myrrh are particularly favored for rituals like the LRP, as they are believed to purify and sanctify the space. 4. A wand, a thame, or finger. You can use a physical tool such as a wand, a thame, ritual dagger, or even your finger to trace the pentagram in the air. This tool is symbolic of your intention and willpower and helps direct your energy. 5. Visualization. Finally, the most powerful tool you have in this ritual is your mind. Visualization is key to manifesting the pentagrams in the air and calling forth the protective energies. The more vivid and clear you can make your visualizations, the more powerful the ritual will be. Steps of the lesser ritual of the pentagram. The lesser ritual of the pentagram consists of a few simple but powerful steps. These steps invoke divine protection and help you cleanse and safeguard your energy field. Here is a detailed guide on how to perform the ritual. Step 1. Consecrate your space. Before starting the ritual, it's important to consecrate or purify your space. Stand in the center of the room and take a few deep breaths. Close your eyes and allow yourself to relax and focus. Visualize a golden light surrounding you, slowly expanding to fill the space. This light should radiate outward, filling every corner of the room with protection and divine presence. If you're using incense or candles, light them at this point to enhance the spiritual atmosphere. As the smoke rises, visualize it carrying away any negative or stagnant energy in the room, creating a clean, sacred environment. Step 2. Drawing the pentagrams. Now you're ready to begin the ritual. Stand in the center of the space, facing east. In front of you, visualize a bright and glowing pentagram. Hold your wand, athame, or finger out in front of you and begin to trace the pentagram in the air. As you draw the symbol, focus on the energy it represents. Start at the top point, spirit, and trace a line down to the left point, earth. From the left point, draw a line to the right point, fire. From the right point, draw a line to the bottom point, water. Finally, close the pentagram by drawing a line back to the top point. As you trace each line, visualize the pentagram glowing with light. Each point of the pentagram should feel charged with the corresponding element's energy. Visualize the pentagram as a protective barrier that seals in divine energy and seals out any negativity. Next, move to each of the 4 directions, south, west, and north. Stand in the corresponding direction, draw the pentagram, and perform the invocations. Repeat this process until you've drawn pentagrams in all 4 directions. Step 3. Invocations. As you face each direction, east, south, west, north, you will call upon the archangels associated with each element. These invocations invite the divine to protect and guide you during the ritual. 1. Facing east, before me, Raphael, the archangel of air. I call upon you for wisdom, clarity, and protection. 2. Facing south. Behind me, Michael, the archangel of fire. I call upon you for strength, courage, and defense. 3. Facing west. To my right, Gabriel, the archangel of water. I call upon you for emotional balance, healing, and intuition. 4. Facing north. To my left, Uriel, the archangel of earth. I call upon you for stability, grounding, and support. As you invoke these beings, visualize each pentagram glowing more brightly and each direction being imbued with protective energy. Feel the energy flow into your space, forming a powerful shield around you. Step 4. Closing the ritual. Once the invocations are complete, it's time to close the ritual. Stand in the center of your space and visualize the pentagrams you've drawn as a protective circle surrounding you. Feel the energy from each direction converging at your center, forming an impenetrable shield of divine protection. Take a few moments to thank the archangels and the divine forces that have assisted you in the ritual. As a final step, ground yourself by imagining roots extending from your feet into the earth. This ensures that your energy is balanced and that the protective barrier remains strong and stable. The significance of the lesser ritual of the pentagram. The lesser ritual of the pentagram is not only a protection spell, it is a tool for maintaining spiritual hygiene. The world is filled with various energies, and not all of them are positive. Performing this ritual regularly will help you cleanse your energy, protect your space, and ensure that only high vibrational energies are present. This ritual also helps strengthen your connection to the divine. By invoking the archangels and the elements, you align yourself with powerful spiritual forces. The more you practice the LRP, the more you'll find your psychic abilities becoming sharper and your connection to the divine deepening. When to use the lesser ritual of the pentagram. This ritual is an excellent tool for many situations. Psychic defense. If you feel under psychic attack or drained by negative energies, this ritual will help create a strong protective barrier. Purification. Use the ritual to cleanse your space, especially after an emotionally charged event or if you feel the energy in a room is heavy. Daily spiritual practice. Perform the LRP regularly to maintain your energy and protection, especially before meditation, prayer, or any magical workings. The lesser ritual of the pentagram is an essential practice for anyone involved in magic or spiritual work. By performing this simple but powerful ritual, you create a barrier of divine protection around you and align with the forces of nature. This practice will not only keep you safe from negativity, but it will also help you deepen your spiritual connection and maintain balance in your life. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button so you can continue learning with us. We have much more to explore in the world of magic and spiritual growth. Thank you for watching, and may your path be protected and illuminated.